Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. And on the video of Android hacking that in which I have taught how to make custom payloads using msfvenom and then gain a reverse interpreter shell using msf console. Some of you have commented that we need a video on how to evade Google Play Protect. So this video is on that topic only. But before starting this video, I want to request you guys to please like the video and subscribe the channel because this motivates me to keep making new videos on topics that you guys may like and request that just like this. So let's just set a target on this one. I want around 50 likes on this video. Let's just start with 50 likes. And yeah, please share the video too. Let's expand our community. And I want to gain more and more subscribers. That's my main goal of starting this channel. So let's just start with the video. Okay, so the first question that should arise in your mind is how Play Protect detects malicious these APKs. So there are some factors that, or you can say some key points that it looks. So first of all, it scans for a malicious payload signature. So let's just say if this app is this apk file is malicious. It's not, it's an original apk file, but let's just assume it's malicious. Then it has a if you go into system architecture on in this this android architecture, you would know that it has a signature. Every apk is signed. So the malicious apk has some common signatures that most of the antiviruses use to detect them or to flag them as malicious. So the first thing is that. The second point that comes is unsigned apk or poorly signed apk. If the apk is unsigned or poorly signed, it straight away rejects. Okay, it says that no, this can't be downloaded and I won't allow this to be installed in this device. And then the third point is it contains suspicious smali code like com.metasploit. So let me just type what I am saying here. Wait for a minute. Let's just create it, open it, zoom in a bit. Oh, okay, it's not zooming in. Let's just continue with this. Okay, so what I'm saying is it contains suspicious uh, suspe see yeah, that's good. Suspicious smally code. Smally, what smally? Basically it's the main, you can say, directory. I will show you in the in the upcoming part of the video what smally is. And this contains the main files that's executed in an apk, or you can say it's the main component of an apk. How things will be carried out is in this folder, that smally folder. So it contains suspicious smally code like something like this or something like this. If it sees like, okay, this smally code has something like com.metasploit, then it goes to its library and say, oh shit, metasploit is a framework that's that's used for making payloads. Then this app is virus, and no, this can't be installed in this android. Oh, sorry, this can't be done. And if it sees something like this com.payload, then it also follows the same procedure. Then we have another point that the code is poor or wrongly structured or obfuscated poorly. And this step we don't need actually. We will see through how we will process the things here. So you can just ignore this step. And if it requires some suspicious network permissions like read Wi-Fi state, okay, network state, or change network status. Okay, if it contains some permissions like this, then it is also flagged as a malicious APK. And these are a ton of steps, a ton of, you can say, flagging procedures that an APK goes through, and it's very, very difficult to construct an APK that bypasses Android Play Protect. That's very difficult, right? But I'm here and I will guide you how to do that. So I have, let's just delete this file. We don't need it anymore. Empty trash. Yeah. So I have prepared something for you guys, and this is a PDF where I have done some research, and I have made this PDF for you guys so that you can follow step by step how to how to make this Metasploit framework, or sorry, this payload APK to look legit and it is not flagged as an anti or as a virus. So let me just zoom in here. Okay, so the first steps here says decompile the APKs, and the command is also given here. And I have written the commands over here, like according to me. So you can change your, this is my username, that's Omega. You can change yours, whatever yours is, and the rest of it is same. Make sure that your original APK is stored in desktop, and your payload is also in desktop directory, and then everything should work fine. Okay, so just let me go to the here and here. Let us close this too. Don't save, and just quickly enter my root terminal. Okay, so the first step we need to do is, well, construct a payload. So this is the payload that we will be using, Android Interpreter Reverse TCP payload. And the L host you can check by going to the terminal and typing ifconfig, and you will get your L host, that is your IP, machine's IP. Then port you can enter any, but make sure it's not hosting a service. So I have chosen 4444. Then output can be payload.apk, but I will recommend you guys not to use payload. Oh, well, let's just, for the demo purposes, let's just be it. Hit enter, and it will create payload. Yeah, that's created. You can check by going here. Okay, okay, I was in my Omega directory, so let me just go to the folder, and this is the payload. Let me just cut it from here and paste it from here. Okay, now we have got the payload, and we have the original Instagram APK that we have in the desktop directory. This is the original APK file. Okay, so we need to first decompile this APK. Okay, let's just decompile it. Copy, and I will go to here. I will paste here, and it should work fine. Okay, I have typed it installite.apk. Well, this cursor won't stop. Please stop. Okay, this cursor playing is playing games with us. Just wait for a second, guys. Now it should work fine. And yeah, if you haven't watched my APK tool video, just go and watch that first, because you will be needing APK tool in this video. Okay, that's the main tool that we will be using. So if I hit enter, what do you think will happen? Let's just hit enter, and boom, we have decompiled the APK here to a folder. My god, let me just zoom in. As you can see here, we have got tons of folders and files, like assets. Kotlin is a language. Then library, that this is the meta info. This is the original folder. This is the resources, maybe, I don't know. And this is the smali folder. These contains the smali files here. As you can see, this is the main directory from where everything works. Okay, so as you can see, messaging, quick log, and this the light, and analytics, super pack, video, and all the functionalities are here in the small folder. So you can say that this is the um, backbone or the main code of APK. So if you want to inject something in an APK, go to the small folder. That's a tip. So let's just continue with our payload creation part. And what's the second step? Let's just go to the PDF. Oh god. Okay, so let's just copy this. And what does this do? This decompiles our payload APK. So here, copy, paste, hit enter, and well, we have got payload folder 2, and this has original resources, smali, and a XML file, android manifest.xml. This is the main file that you know we will be infecting, because you know what, let me tell you how these things work. So smally files, here as you can see, this has Metasploit. If we download this APK into a machine or into an Android machine, it will flag this as a virus. Why? Because this has Metasploit. Metasploit is a known library for exploits. So Play Protect would right away know that, okay, this is a virus, this is a Trojan, this is something that shouldn't be there in this device. So let's just not allow it. Okay, so it will not allow us to install it. So let me just, and these are the smally files that this has. So a dot smally, b dot smally, c dot smally, d dot smally up. That's very bad naming. Okay, so let's just ignore them. This is the main activity dot smally. So if, and these are the main broadcaster receiver, this is the receiver, okay, that we are setting the L host here. So this file will send the connection. This is the service, this is the payload dot smally. Okay, let's just go back to desktop, to payload, and to this file. As you can see here, this uses permission android name, and these are the permissions, and these are, you know very bad permissions that should be for an android APK, right? And you can also see the package name here, com.metasploit.stage. Right away the Play Protect would know, okay, this has Metasploit, well, we shouldn't allow it. So we will change this. And how is written in this PDF? You need to just follow this PDF. Okay, so now we will copy the payload smally code and to a stealthy location inside the original APK smally directory. So we will copy the payload smally code, which is the main code in which the payload is coded, and we will copy it to this original APK folder inside its smally folder, so that it can get executed, but in a stealthy manner, so that it cannot detect that it's a payload. So how will we do it? Well, it's simple. First of all, we will make a directory inside the smally com, and the directory name will be xyz soft slash policy. Well, I named it anything, so it is not necessary, and hopefully the Play Protect wouldn't flag it as malicious. So let's just go to a terminal, paste the command, and hit enter. Okay, the directory is created, we haven't got any errors. So now let's just move on to another command. Okay, oh my goodness, it's giving me a hard time to copy and paste in. Paste clipboard and just slash it, and you will need to go here and backspace, hit enter. Right, I guess so, I'm right. Okay, let's just verify the commands. We are copying all the files. This star stands for all. So whatever files are present in the Metasploit directory will be copied to this directory. So hit enter. Okay, we have copied them. Now we need to replace all the old package path to match the new stealthy one. So we will just copy and paste this command. It's as simple as that. Copy, paste. Okay, I guess the plus, we missed out the plus sign. So just let include the plus here. And you also need to do the same thing, guys. Just come. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Stop, stop, stop. Oh man. I will. Yeah, the cursor has started moving. Okay, good. Well, I don't know why this is behaving like this. Maybe there's some problem in this VMware. I need to figure it out. But let's just continue with this only. And what did I do? Just let's. Okay, okay. Just wait for a second, guys. Wait for a second. Let me just figure out. Dash I. Okay, okay. I guess I have, I have executed this command earlier. So let me just go to my terminal's history and let me just get the command from there. Wait a second. I will meet you when I have completed this command. For that, for till then, just hold on. Yeah, we have got the command here, and well, it was the same. Maybe my mind is playing tricks with me. So just hit enter and boom, we have replaced all the old package paths to the new one, that is to this directory that we created, xyz soft slash policy. And now it's the time for the main part. We need to edit this android manifest.xml. But which xml to edit? Well, I'm here to tell, so follow me. So you need to go here, original. Which click is this? Wait for a minute. Yeah, this is right click. So you need to go to this original, click on the right, maybe, sorry, right click. Okay, right click. You will get this menu. Open as root, type in your root password. Done. Now you are in your not root directory basically, but this is the root file manager of your Linux or your Kali. So you can edit files that you're not allowed to. So just don't edit this folder or delete this folder, or your system is wiped out completely. So let's just stick with the topic. So I will open it with this mousepad. Open this with mousepad, and oh boy, the, what's this? Well, this the XML code that we have to edit, but I don't know anything about XML. You might be thinking, right? You don't. If you don't know anything about XML, I have given the code in the PDF. Silly, this is the code that you have to just copy and paste. I have also included the instructions like where I have to copy and paste. Okay, so this is a XML file, and you can see that this package is com instagram.like, so it's a legit package. It won't flag us, right? So the first thing we need to do is we need to add some permissions so that it can it can start on boot and get permissions like internet and access network state. So just let us uh, enter these permissions, and anywhere in between you can add them anywhere in between, and make sure the indentation is correct, either way or it won't work. So let me just fix the indentation, and like this. As you can see, these are aligned on in a straight line. You should also make sure that these are aligned perfectly or indented perfectly. Then you need to go to the start of this application tag, and this is here. This is the start of the application. Now we need to find the end. Go till these lines, and okay, this is the end of the file. Where's the, oh, got it. This is the end of the application tag. So just come above this is here, receiver part. Let, can I zoom in? Oh no, I can't, sorry. So yeah, so this is the receiver tag. Oops, the video is too long. Oh, well, not a problem for me. You guys have to watch. So, yeah, just enter here so that you are in a new line. Then go to here and copy this code which I have written over here. Add inside application tag. Just copy it, and you need to copy it till here. Okay, good. Copy. Go to your virtual machine and right click, paste. But no, this is not correct. As you can see, oh boy, this messed up. You can see that its indentation is messed up. So let me just correct the indentation. You must follow this also. So, or you can also verify it from this. As you can see, receiver is the first thing. Then this android.enabled android.exported comes inside the receiver. Then intent filter just align like this, and this thing comes inside this intent filter tag, and then the receiver closes. So we will just follow the same thing and make sure the receiver is aligned with this receiver closing tag so that we are in the file only. You can just move the cursor over here and just hit tab 2 times so that it's inside. Tab, and these are aligned perfectly. And tab it, hit tab again. These are aligned, and the receiver should be aligned with this receiver, and this is perfect. Now the service tag we need to align. So tab it, the service is aligned with this receiver. Tab, and yeah, we are done. This is the alignment um you need to get. So if you are confused, just pause the video right here and indent it properly like this I have done, and then you are good to go. And yeah, don't forget to control plus s, that is save this file. So let's just close it here, and yep, that's it, yeah. So now comes the main part. That is, now we have to rebuild the apk using this apk tool. Oh man, yeah. So why is saying B? It should be D, right? Oh, let me just here paste clipboard. I think this will error out. Oh, it's okay, okay. It's done. This is the command, and yeah, we have this backdoor APK here. Now we need to go again, and we have to generate a key store. That's a once only. Your key store will be your key store. So this is a one-time process. Again, if you are going through this process, you don't need to run this command. Okay, just hit enter. Oh, key tool. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. 2048 command not found. Okay guys, I got it. It just pushed pushed it into a new line, as you can see that. So we need to run the command again, and yeah, you just go till here and backspace, hit, now hit enter. Okay, so you need to set your key store password. I am setting a very simple password. Re-enter the password, hit enter. And what is your first and last name? And this process is very important. Okay, so you need to set your first and last name like it's legit. Okay, it's not like something fishy like anything John Doe and this. So I have prepared some recommended answers here that you can just copy and paste. So I will meet you when I have done this process. Hey guys, welcome back. And yeah, these are the answers that you have to enter, and then it will ask you that are these correct, and you have to just type yes, hit enter, and it will generate the key store. And we are done with the key store generation. Now we need to just sign the apk. So let's just copy and paste. Oh shit, let's just copy and paste. That's what we do. I hope it won't give me any error. Oh man, this cursor. Just wait for some seconds. Let this cursor get stable. Okay, 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 okay. Stay, stay. Backspace and enter. Now the password that you have set earlier, you need to enter that. Hit enter, and yeah, this is the message that you should see. And if you are seeing jar signed, then this means that you have done it correctly. Now you have to also run this command, which is the zipalign command that will zip your this APK to a final APK file, and it will just add some additional requirements that you need. Hit enter and verification successful. Play services basement properties and all this the safety thing that's added here, that you can see play services auth based properties and all that. And we are done here. We can install the final APK on a real Android device and we can just do the thing. I will link to this PDF in my resources section, or I will give you a GitHub link where you can download this PDF. And yeah, that's okay, right? Okay, we will make another video in which I will give you a demonstration that this APK is not recognized by the play protect. And why I'm saying that's why I'm not doing in this video, because as you can see, this video has already been uh, okay, 59 and yeah, 27 minutes long. So that's a very big time, right? And I have to do other things also. So on your guys' demands, I have made this video, and what I want in return is, please, please, I'm requesting you guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, complete the like goal, that's 50 likes. That's a very short goal, man. Just please 50 likes. I'm just asking 50 likes. Also comment down which part did you like the most. Share this video to all your friends, all you know, okay, uh, to educate them, to tell them about this thing. And if you have some friends that are interested in these kind of stuff, share this video to them. Go to them and like through their phone or any of their device. Okay, like it, like the video, subscribe, also subscribe the video. I want that my subscribers are increased after this video. Only then I will post another video. Did you get my point? You better get it. So at this note, we are ending this video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to complete the like goal. And thank you guys.